happy Saturday. So today is Saturday. I actually just finished recording some hauls and some reels. Your girl is back doing content again on Instagram and doing fashion content. I really miss doing fashion content. It's one of my favorites to do. So that's why like my hair, makeup, and everything is all set. But I am done for now. I was just playing that SZA song blind because I'm just gonna act like I don't see the mountain of clothes, the makeup, the hair stuff, all a mess, the boxes from the unboxing I did last night when I vlogged. I'm gonna act like I don't see it. I can't see, I'm blind, blind. I can't sing, but I am getting ready to go out right now. I am going on a date, so this will be fun. We're going to a rooftop cinema. I actually have not been to the rooftop cinema here in Houston, so it'll be my first time. So I decided to kind of, I say I keep it casual, but I don't know how to keep it casual. Because my outfit, I'm gonna put you guys somewhere so you can see where my Coach bag. So this is the fit. The jeans are from Mango. They are from Spring. The top is from Amazon. And then I got these pants tailored so they fit nice and, oops, let me fix this, nice and perfectly. The only thing is, like, if I gain any little bit of weight, they won't fit anymore. But this is the fit. I'm thinking I'll bring this bag here. What do you guys think? Because I can't find my other Coach one. And I lost the strap for this bag because I wanted to wear like a crossbody. But this is the fit. It's November, but it's 80 degrees. This is the thing I love about having a standing desk is because I'm literally using it as a tripod. I've been loving using random things as tripod these days. It's just making life easier. So for fragrance today, I tried a new combination last night where I put some of my Nest Turkish Rose perfume oil on, and then I put the Fragrance Du Bois Cavort over it, only because I love this fragrance a lot. It's very unique, but it does kind of lean a little bit more on the masculine side. And I've mentioned that I love more feminine floral fragrances, so I mixed these together to add a little bit of that feminine floral fragrance. And there's like it's like all Turkish rose in here. So, and I like the little glow, and I have my clavicle, or is that what it's called? I have my collarbone hanging out, you know. I want that to glow. I want this to glow all over here, you know, and going for a hug. So I'm applying a lot because it's oil. You know, it'll be fine. And I'm gonna mix it in a little bit. And I like that shine that I get like around here. So I'm gonna apply that, and then I'm gonna apply some Cavort on top, but I'm gonna blend this in first because I don't want to rub the fragrance. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna get the bigger bottle. I bought this as a travel because I wanted to try it out first, but I actually really love it, so I'm gonna invest in it. So I'm gonna put the Cavort on top. You really don't need a lot with this fragrance, but I just like how it mists. It's like a nice light mist. I love that, like perfect. And then I don't really like to put too much on my clothes, but I just want to create an aura. All right, but that is all. I think I'll bring my sunnies. I think I might bring my Celine Triomphe sunglasses. And I just remembered I need to go put some deodorant on. So I'm thinking like that'll be up top. I don't know. Is it too much? Are we doing too much? Never. You can never do too much. Okay, guys, JK. I decided to change a little bit. So y'all see me? I decided I'm gonna wear my Coach sandals instead. So I picked these up last year or so, or maybe a year and some change ago. I did do a review on it when I did my 2022 Coach collection. So I'm gonna put these on instead because I feel like it goes better with the fit. And then I'm gonna bring my Alma BB because it fits a lot more and I wanna be comfortable. I wanna bring like my phone and like be able to put it away. With the other one, I can't put much in there besides like my keys. So Plus, I feel like it'll look better. Okay, well, I'm gonna change so you guys see what I mean, but I feel like these would look so much better. So these are like similar to the Bottega dupe, the stretch sandal, but they're from Coach. I love these. These are actually much more comfortable than the stretch sandal because when I tried them on, I didn't like it because the middle like area was annoying, and I don't like that about shoes. So that's what I like. The only issue I have with these ones is like my baby toe hurts, but it's because I haven't stretched them out enough. Yeah, that's much better. Oh yeah, much better. It actually like matches with the top because the top is kind of like an off-white. I wish I had like a different bag, but this will do for now. Yeah, much better. My baby toes are gonna hurt though because I need to stretch these out, but can y'all see the shoes? I can't tell from here. Let's see. Such a mess in here. But yeah, so this is the fit. All right. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. It's actually daylight savings day. So I'm enjoying this because I have an extra hour and I just feel so awake because right now it says 8 o'clock, but it's technically 7, which I love. I am getting ready to go to Pilates. I just made my pre-workout. So this is a pre-workout I've been using for a long time. I want to say I've been using this since like 2019. This one here. I always get the watermelon flavor. It's the only one that I like. But I'm gonna have that. Then we're gonna go to solid core. I don't know if I will be able to vlog because the last time I went, they told me I couldn't vlog. We're gonna do that. I'm also gonna go to Trader Joe's because I want to get a few things, and then depending on how I'm feeling, I want to go get my nails done. I was debating whether or not I want to do them at home, so I've been doing them at home for the last like I can't even say month or so. I've been doing them at home, and I'm well overdue for mani and pedi, but I want to get long nails. I want them, they're growing though. So if I continue, they'll probably grow to the length that I want, but I want them like super, not super long, but much longer than they are now. And I want them almond with the point. That's pretty much the only time I go to the salon is when I want them long and they're taking a long time to grow. So I'm thinking I'll get Big Apple Red because it is the holiday season. It's November. And I think what I'm gonna do is start preparing for Christmas decor. So about yesterday, I haven't seen Brown Sugar in so long, and it made me remember how much I love that movie. It's such a good classic Black movie. It's like on the top of like my favorite Black movies, like Best Man, really like that. Save the Last Dance. What are some other ones I like? I'm trying to think that are like on my top favorites. But yeah, it was a really good movie. Speaking of last night, my date just texted me good morning. Where's my phone? Oh, Taylor, no. Where are you? So yeah, I guess fair to say it went well last night. So. Just got back from my Pilates class. This was good. This extra hour has me feeling so energized. But that was a good workout, really good workout. I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's now to pick up a few things. Also get some flowers. I haven't had flowers in the apartment in a while and it just feels so weird. So I'm gonna head over to Trader Joe's now. It's about 8, almost 8:30, so perfect timing. Today's probably gonna be like a true reset because I need to do laundry, I need to clean, I need to wash my hair, get groceries, I need to make food to eat for this week. Not like meal prepping, but I do like to have a few meals ready. Thinking I want to make some Haitian rice and beans, but I'd have to defrost chicken or just buy, maybe I'll buy some at some of the instructors at Solid Core. So they don't allow, I guess, recording anymore. I guess because some people complained they didn't want to be in it, which is understandable. That's why whenever I vlog and there's people in my footage, I try to blur their faces because, you know, they didn't ask to be in my video. And I would want somebody to blur out my face too if, you know, I didn't get permission to be in there. So it's understandable. So I just got back from Trader Joe's and I ended up going home and putting all of my groceries away really quickly because I decided I want to get my nails done, especially since it's like the holiday season, and I've been thinking about getting red nails. I was originally gonna do it at home because I do have a kit, but decided to do it instead at the nail salon because I want to get longer nails. So
how nice is the sun today? We don't need permission to play. Let's go, let's just get away. Don't keep me waiting. No doubt we'll be working great. We haven't met by mistake. Your eyes, they be showing pain, so don't keep me waiting. So don't keep me waiting. You can be real nice. We'll grow, but in the meantime, let's get it going. We don't need no one. Say so, I'll take you to Mars. It's worth it, see it in the stars. I'ma do it, keep you warm next to me.